Hi lovely bag ladies, it's me Michelle here with your print comparison video on Black Diamond, which is one of the prints from the Onyx collection. Now I've had a bee light in this print for a while and it is gorgeous in real life. The lining is this really lovely taupey caramel colour. I've paired it here with First Mate and with Animalini so you can see that colour and it is gorgeous. First big print comparison is Moonbeam. It goes very well. The blues tone really well together. Duchess I think is my favourite comparison because the spots on the inside match the spots on the outside. Yeah, see? Clever. Now all the black and white legacy prints are going to look amazing with this. The blacks match, the whites don't because the white taupey colour on the Black Diamond print is not the same as the crisp white like on Imperial Princess, but they match, they all go very, very well together. So it's definitely a pairing that's going to be easy. Now Frosted Blossoms is my favourite print, as you all know, and it goes very well with this because the blues tone together. So that's it, buy more Frosted Blossoms. Queen of the Jungle goes very well as well because of the blacks and it's a real pop of difference. Same with Blow-Ro, or Blooming Romance as I should be calling it. The blacks match and it's a nice pop of colour. Now Pinky Swear and Olive Juice, geometrically they look similar, but I don't know if it's a match. Hello Perky works really well because there is some blue in those faces. Now Peekaboo, that taupe colour of Peekaboo has the same problem as the taupe colour on Black Diamond. Photograph's white, it isn't white. Dreamworld looks very good because the matching blues. Now I've put the other Hello Kitty prints in with this as well. I don't think they match as well because they are such different colours, but they still look cute. And Farfelli doesn't really go with much anyway. Now King's Court goes with everything conversely and especially goes well with this because the blues are the same and it's lovely. Siamo looks amazing with this. And there's Randy Sandy for you know, just to cheer you up on this dank day. And Animalini goes with this because the blues are the same. Not so much with Perky Toki, but Iconic is great because Iconic gives you a real pop of colour against that plain background. Same with Fairy Teller. And Unikiki is just beautiful. Everyone needs some. And then Space Place, again, the blacks go very, very well. So I hope you've enjoyed this print comparison with Black Diamond. There'll be more videos coming from this channel with this in. And I've got a Black Magic video coming too, so stay tuned. Bye guys!